Our program in architecture is delivered through an open online format so that anyone, anywhere can study architecture. Communities all across Canada, in regional and remote areas, but also in Indigenous communities where access to education is very difficult. Our research, we focus on regenerative design and virtual design.
We use the definition of regenerative design as ecologically restorative, socially just, and culturally rich. That means that if we really want to solve the problem of climate change, we have to think in a comprehensive and interdisciplinary manner. The Maker Space is a very unique hybrid space that we have recently opened at our main campus at Athabasca University. Our goal with this space is to provide a learning and research experience which is second to none. And by providing students with the equipment that they need to investigate areas like regenerative design or like virtual design, we provide something very, very special here.
Well, it's so important. Where else does this exist? It took us a long time to get to the point where we could actually pull all of this technical, practical modeling kind of information together in one place, make it available to the university, the community, the campus as a whole, and to say, look, if you want to research how healthy buildings work or how they perform in real life, come to the Maker Space and you can make it happen here.
The Maker Space allows students to really bring their designs to the next level, either by 3D printing them into a physical 3D model or translating it into an augmented reality or virtual reality so that you can experience it through your own eyes and your own senses.
Virtual is kind of a really interesting opportunity in building design. We often think of it as part in the gaming industry, but for architects, it really starts to move the design from designing an object into designing an experience, so that the students become more advanced in design as they start to understand their impact on space in a virtual world.
The value of the space like this is to provide both researchers, students, and staff with state-of-the-art equipment so that they can explore their own areas of research. And we hope that this space will be used by all of the faculties at the university, but also by the town and region of Athabasca.
What we offer is accessibility to architectural education so that anyone, anywhere in Canada and around the world can learn about architecture if they want to. All of our students who are coming from different remote areas, communities all across Canada, and how they have been able to positively impact their own communities has been the most rewarding.